Hello traders, and welcome to another educational video titled The Dumpling Top. Well, the dumpling top is not the most common reversal pattern, but it comes with another name, with the Western name that is, which is perhaps more known as the rounding top. Well, it looks like that, and it consists of many small candlesticks of either color. What is important is that the left part of this reversal pattern consists of higher highs, where in the middle we can spot equal highs, and then the right part of the dumpling top or rounding top consists of lower highs. Then it's followed by a falling window or a gap if you wish. Now, in Japanese terminology, of course, the gap is called falling window in this case. Good, let's take a look at the chart so we can identify it. It looks like that. It's not the ideal, of course, but you can see the higher highs and then the equal highs in the middle, and of course the lower highs on the right side, a falling window, a gap, and then the rest is history. Now, let's explore our first basic strategy using the rounding top. We can identify it right here, and we can place a sell order right below the low price of the first candlestick below the falling window. And then we place a protective stop loss right above the falling window, because in this case, the falling window, it acts as a resistance area. So we place the protective stop loss right above the gap. And take profit, we measure the height of this reversal pattern, and then we project one time the height from the selling point, where we can take part of the profit. We close part of the trade, then another projection, 2 times the height, and we close another part of the trade, and then finally we take 3 times the height and we close the remaining of our trade. I hope you enjoyed this new concept that I introduced here. I'm sure I introduced it in a previous video as well. Nevertheless, it's another approach using the height of a reversal pattern or the height of a reversal chart reversal in general. Good. Now, another strategy here, the dumpling top here, the falling window, we place a sell right below the closing price below the gap, and a protective stop loss right above the falling window, and we take part of the profit at one time the height of the pattern, and we exit when we identify any reversal in the opposite direction. In this case, it's a morning star. Good, another variation. Now we use a moving average. We identify the dumpling top at the top of an uptrend. Then we take a sell order at the low price of the first candlestick below the falling window, a protective stop loss right above the window, and of course here we're going to use 2 closes above the moving average to exit the trade, to close our position and book any potential profits. Good. Of course, if you are more aggressive, perhaps you can close the entire position with 1 close, but it's up to you to decide. Usually it's 1 or 2 closes, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and stay tuned for more. See you in a while.